Hey guys, welcome to a design team project for scrapbooking with me. This is the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust collection, and I had known for a long time I wanted to try my hand at a mixed media project with this paper collection, and this is what I came up with. I'm not sure I'm, 100% thrilled with it, but I would be curious to know what you guys think. I started with a regular canvas, and I gessoed it. I added chipboard. This right here is actually, it's back here and here and here, and then down here I covered a lot of it up. But it was actually, what do you call it, like little tiles for a bathroom. We tiled our bathroom, and these little pieces were all in one piece connected, so I cut them apart and I used them in the project. There's chipboard back there. I covered most of it up, so sad, but I guess that's what happens. It's hard for me to share a project like this because there's so much going on. I don't even know how to share it with you. There's a chipboard frame back here in the background, and I layered some little doodads I had in my stash. I had this beautiful clock in my stash, and then I had some little stones, I guess, in my stash. And then there's two bumblebees, metal bumblebees. There's this little, that's just like a little, what do you call it? It's like an ornament hanger. There's another one down here, but it got covered up by this big mushroom. And there is a key here. And there is a kind of a, what do you call this? A windy thing. So I used some art stones and these metal pieces from my stash. The Believe in Fairies is a sticker from the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust collection, which you can get at Scrapbooking with me. And then, of course, I fussy cut a lot of little fairy goodness from the paper collection. Some of them I fussy cut from the little tags, some of them from the paper. This one's obviously from that large 12 by 12 sheet. I cut her out. And then I glittered all the wings with stickles, and I glittered the flowers. I added these fabric flowers. I don't know where I got those. Could be the dollar store. I can't recall. But this will be for sale in my Etsy store. Oh, and these are some metal wings from my stash also. So this will be for sale in my Etsy store. If you're interested, let me know. I always give you guys first dibs at everything before I list stuff on Etsy. This will be really reasonable because I don't consider myself in any way, shape, or form a mixed media specialist. It's kind of fun, but it's not my thing. So if you're interested in this, let me know, because like I said, I'll let this go pretty reasonable. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you didn't forget about Graphic 45 Fairy Dust. It is a beautiful collection. I actually have so much in my stash that I have lots of projects I will be doing with it throughout the year. Lots of different ideas. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you head over to Scrapbooking with me. There's a lot of collections over there right now that are just like hot, hot, hot must-haves. So I hope you'll go get you some and use my coupon code. It's going to be in the description box below the video. Thanks for watching. Happy Scrappy Day. Bye.